Analyze the mixture and the given data. The student is attempting to separate a homogeneous liquid mixture of hexane, C6H14, and octane, C8H18. The physical properties provided in the table are hexane, boiling point of 69 degrees Celsius, density of 0.66 grams/ml. Octane, boiling point of 126 degrees Celsius, density of 0.70 grams/ml. Recall the chemical principles of filtration. Filtration is a separation technique used to separate heterogeneous mixtures, such as an insoluble solid suspended in a liquid, based on differences in particle size. Because hexane and octane are completely miscible liquids, they form a single-phase homogeneous solution where individual molecules are mixed at the molecular level, making filtration impossible. Recall the chemical principles of distillation. Distillation is an analytical technique used to separate a homogeneous mixture of miscible liquids based on differences in their boiling points, which stem from differences in the strengths of their intermolecular forces. Apply distillation to the hexane-octane mixture. Because octane is a larger molecule than hexane, it has a larger, more polarizable electron cloud, resulting in stronger London dispersion forces and a significantly higher boiling point, 126 degrees Celsius versus 69 degrees Celsius. When the homogeneous mixture is heated, the liquid with the lower boiling point, hexane, will readily vaporize first. The resulting vapor, which is highly enriched in hexane, passes through a cooling condenser where it condenses back into a pure liquid and is collected in a separate vessel, leaving the higher boiling octane behind. This matches option D. The correct answer is option D, distillation, because the difference in boiling points between the two liquids permits their separation.